This is how to do multiplication with the slide rule. Multiplication is pretty simple in a slide rule. You're really only dealing with two of the scales, the C scale here and the D scale here. Let's say you want to multiply the number 2 by the number 3. Pretty simple example. You take the 1 on the C scale and you slide it to the first number in your multiplication, the 2. Line it up. The more accurate you get the line, the more accurate your answer is going to be. So the 1 is directly over the 2, the first number you want to multiply by. The second number you want to multiply by is 3. So on the C scale again, you take the hairline and you slide it until you find the number 3 on the C scale, which is right there. Number 3, directly under it is the number 6. 2 times 3, I don't have my hairline on there, but 2 times 3 equals 6. If you wanted to do 1.5 times 2.5, there's a couple of ways to do it. You could go to the 1.5 and slide the thing over to the 2.5, or especially when you start to deal with larger numbers, what you can do is just ignore the decimal. So this first section on the D scale, you'll see is broken up into smaller sections between the 1 and 2. So instead of 1.5, call it 15. So you slide your 1 over to the 1.5, which is now 15. It is very difficult to do. It's not. Because I'm not watching my hands, I'm watching the phone. It looks more difficult than it actually is. And then you do the same thing you did before with the hairline. You find the 2.5 mark on your C scale. There's your 2, there's your 3, right in between. That slightly longer line is your 2.5. So we put that on 2.5, and our answer is on the D scale. It's somewhere between 3 and 4. You have to count, so it's 3.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It splits those directly in half, so your answer is 3.75. 2.5 times 1.5 is 3.75. That's it.